Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe at your home. Students, welcome back to your online maths class. Students, in previous video, we had completed page number 1 and 2. Firstly, tell me children, have you completed your all work in your maths book? Very good. So children, today we will start page number 3. Okay. So take your maths book and open page number 3. So children, this is your page number 3 and your new question number 5. Write what comes before and after. Okay. So children, in this question, here we have some numbers and empty boxes also. So we have to write, in this question we have to write the numbers in the box which comes before and after the given number. Okay, like this. Here we have 9 and 2 boxes also. So 8 comes before 9 and 10 comes after 9. Okay, understood all of you? Means in this question we have to write the numbers in the given boxes which come before and after the given number. Okay, so and first one is done for us, so we will start from second. Okay, so children, here we have 2 boxes and a number also. Number is 7. So tell me children, what comes before 7? Tell me what comes before 7? Very good. 6. 6. Okay. And next one. What comes after 7? Yes, very good. 8. Next one. Here we have 14. So tell me again children, what comes before 14? Very good. 13. So in the boxes we have to write 13 and what comes after 14? 15. Like this. Next question. What comes before 19? 18. And what comes after 19? 20. Okay. Again look here. 34. 33 is comes before 34. So write here 33. And 35 is will come after 34. So write here 35. What comes before 22? 21. And 23 will come before will come after 22. Okay. 42, 43, 44 and 56. So in the boxes we have to write 55 because 55 comes before 56 and 57 comes after 56. Okay, next one is 29, 30, 31. Understood all of you now? 58, 59, 60, 66, 67, 68, 77, 78, 79. Okay. Children, you all know countings, na? That's why you have to do this question with the help of counting. Okay. So, write this. Like as previous question, 45. Tell me children, what comes before 45? Very good. 44. And what comes after 45? 46. Like this next question. 49, 50, 51. 88, 89, 90. And last one is 94, 95, 96. Understood all of you? How will you do this question? Understood all of you, na? Very good. Next one question is, write the number between. Here we have next question, write the number between. So children, in the box we have to write the number that comes in between these two numbers. In the question, here we have some numbers and boxes also, na? So in this question, we have to write the number that comes in between these two numbers. Okay. So let's start. Here we have two numbers, 10 and 12. So children, tell me which number comes between 10 and 12. Speak the counting. 10, 11, 12. So write here 11. Okay. Next one, 32, 33 and 34. Okay. 56, 57, 58. Now children, tell me again. 67, 68, 69. Next one, 14, 15, 16, 29, 30, 31, 62, 63, 64, 84, 85, 86. Understood all of you? How will you do question? So children, in this question we have to write those numbers those comes between these two numbers. Okay. So now tell me what comes between which number comes between 19 and 21? Yes, very good. 20. 38 and 40? 39. Very good. 64 and 66? 65. 93 and 95? 94. Because 93, 94, 95. Okay. So children, do this question with the help of the counting. Okay. Next one. 25, 26, 27. 51, 52, 53. 70, 71, 72. 97, 98, 99. Okay, understood all of you children? How will you do this question? Very good. So children, do revision of these questions also. Okay. Next one question is. So let's start question number 7. Fill in. So children, look here. Here we have some blanks. Here we have some blanks. So we have to fill these blanks with correct answer. Okay. we have to fill these blanks with correct answers. So first one is the number before 23 is 22. So everyone know 22 comes before 23 na? Next one is the number after 39 is. So students, tell me which number comes after 39. Which number will come after 39? So answer is 40. Because 40 comes after 39 na? 39, 40, 41. So answer is 40. Next one, the number before 70 is. So children, tell me which number comes before 70? Yes, very good. 69. 69. Okay. Next one, the number after is 43. So children, tell me the number after is 43. So which number comes before? Will comes before 43? 42. So answer is the number after 42 is 43. Well, after 42 is 43. Okay. Next one. The number before 61 is. The number before 61 is. Now children, again tell me which number will come before 61. So answer is 60. Okay. Next one. 34 is between and 35. So 34 is between 33 and 35. Because 34 comes between 33 and 35 na? 34 comes between 33 and 35. So answer is 23. 97 is between 96 and, tell me, 97 is between 96 and 98. Okay. 97 is between, 97 comes between 96 and 98. Understood all of you? Next one is between 68 and 70. So what is comes between 68 and 70? Yes, very good. 69. 69 is between 68 and 70. Okay. Next one is between 19 and 21. So again tell me what is comes between 19 and 21? What is come between 19 and 21? So answer is 20. Answer is 20. Okay. Next one is between 76 and 78. So 77 is between 76 and 78. Okay, understood all of you? Very good. Now turn your page. Now children, this is your page number 4. Okay. Now children, tell me, look here, you know what makes a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number containing 2 digit. 2-digit number containing 2 digit means if any number have 2 digit, if any number have 2 digit, then it's 2-digit number like this. 42. Here we have 2 digit na, 4 and 2. So it's a 2-digit number. Okay. 4 tens and 2 ones make 42. Means 4 tens is tens and 2 ones makes 42. Okay, like this 23 in 23, 2 tens and 3 ones is make 23. Okay, so understood all of you? If any number have 2 digits, then it's a 2 digit number. Understood? In 2 digit number we have a number of position of tens and ones also. Next one, here we have a question, write in the short form. Write in the short form. Then first one is done for us, 30 plus 7 equal to 37. So children, short form means here we have to write short form of these questions, means add this equation, means add these equations, add these numbers. Okay, means if we will add these numbers, then we will get short form of this. Okay, now 20 plus 5, like this, 30 plus 7, 37. Now 20 plus 5, so 20 plus 5, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, next one, 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 means short form of 10 plus 8, 18. If we will add these numbers, then we will get short form of this. Okay, 50 plus 3 means 53. Add these numbers, 53. Next one, 70 plus 7, then 77. How we will add? 77, then plus 10, 7 and 7. If we will add 0 plus 7, then 7, 77. Okay. Next one, 40 plus 6, then we will get 46, means 2 digit number. Okay. Next one, 90 plus 5, then tell me children, what is the answer of this solution? 95. Very good. Understood all of you? Very good. Now next one, write in the expanded long form. Means in this question we have to write large means expanded form. We have to find long form means expanded form of these numbers. Okay, expanded form means we have to break these numbers. Okay, and write in the box. We have to break these numbers and write in the box, and we have to break these numbers in tens and ones form. Okay, in tens and ones form. Understood all of you? Means like this. We have to break these numbers in tens and ones form. Okay, and get long form of these numbers. So let's start. Again, first one is done for us. So we will start from second. Next one, 42. If we will add 40 plus 2, then we will get 42. So this is the expanded form of 42. This is the expanded form of 42. Okay. Next one, 26. If we will add 20 and 6, then we will get 26. Okay. 17. If we will break 17, then we will get 10 plus 7. Okay, understood all of you? Understood all of you now? Very good. Now next one is 83. Tell me what is the expanded form of 83? Again, if we will break 83, then we will get 80 plus 3. Understood all of you? Next one, 66. Tell me children, what is the expanded form of 66? Then if we will break 66, then we will get 60 plus 6, 66. Okay. Next one, 35. If we will break 35, then we will get 30 plus 5. Understood all of you? Very good. Now children, understood all of you? How will you do this question? How will you get short form and expanded form of numbers? Very good. Now next one is fill in. Here we have question, fill in. Means children, here we have some rings. Look this. Here we have some rings on in ones place and 10 place also. So in this question we have count the rings. Firstly we have counted the ring and write number of the on the given line. Okay, and means firstly we have students, is in this question we have firstly we have count the rings and write downside. Okay, write downside, and after this add the numbers and get answer and write on the given line. Okay, like this. Firstly count the ring, 1 2 3 4, means 4 ones. Okay, now count this, 1 2 3 means now if we will add 3 tens and 4 ones, then answer of this 34. Okay, understood all of you? Again count this, 1 2 3, 3 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 tens, means answer is add this 5 tens and 3 ones, then answer is 53. Next one, 1 2, then 2 ones, and here I don't have any room, so it's 0 tens, means answer is, if we will add 0 and 2, then we will get 2. Okay, next one, 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 ones and 1 2 3 4 5 6 tens, means answer is 65. Okay, again 0 ones and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 tens, means answer is 90. Okay, next one, 1 2 3 4 ones and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 8 tens, so answer is 84. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do these questions? So children, do this work in your maths book very carefully and honestly. Okay, in next video we will start place value. Okay, understood all of you? So complete this work in your maths book. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.